in this video we are talking about side hustles. I love that topic of side hustles. Unfortunately, we live in a world where sometimes to some people, to like live a good life, you have to have a side hustle aside from your main thing. A side hustle is an activity that you do that brings you money aside from your main activity. Say for example, you're a lawyer by day, but you also have a side business as an actress, or you also have a side business as a musician. You can be able to make money on the side. In today's video, I want us to look at different side hustles that people can do. This one is a bit different because I don't want to give you the same old writing, editing, same old kind of side hustle ideas. I really want to like be more targeted. Some of them might make sense to you, some of them might not. Yeah, I don't want to give the same old run-of-the-mill kind of side hustle ideas that we see from these videos. I really love those videos as well, but I want to show you some that have really like been cropping up in 2021 that we really need to think about. The first one is a cryptocurrency technical writer, or a blockchain technical writer. If you've been attentive in the finance world over the last few years, you might know what cryptocurrency is and what blockchain is. In case you don't know, I'll link them down below, and maybe this is not something that makes sense to you at the moment, but if you really know what cryptocurrency is, you've really like dived deep into the topic, you know the terminology, you have even invested into crypto, and you're also good in writing, you can double up as a cryptocurrency writer. To be a cryptocurrency writer, all you have to know is have knowledge on recent cryptocurrency events, have good technical understanding of the world of crypto, have some good finance background, because some of these things are really technical and involve some types of economic background or finance, to understand things like tokenomics and all that. So make sure at least if this is something that you like, you can be able to become one. You'll have noticed that so many companies are hiring cryptocurrency expert. Like there's a new crop of jobs that have come up called blockchain jobs. You can be able to find jobs in your area of specialization. In fact, even some cryptocurrency companies are looking for content creators, or they're looking for influencers in that specific kind of job field. But the one that I've seen makes more sense for my audience is being a writer. So what you need to do is also read widely. You have to be up, like you have to update yourself on current events. You have to know terminology, go through different glossaries on cryptocurrency writing. Let me know if you want me to share some resources where you can be reading cryptocurrency news. I have so many, maybe I can leave them down below so that you can be updated on that world of cryptocurrency. And where do you find these jobs? You find these jobs on different freelance sites. You find them by searching. You know, if you see a company you like, just go to their career section. All these companies, especially who've come up, look for your favorite coin, look for your favorite altcoin, go to their website. Are they hiring? So make sure you're checking for those things. That's actually such a unique job, and you can get paid in crypto, which you can convert to fiat or your native like currency that you're using in your country. The next one, I am so in love with this one, is repurposing content. You can become a content creator or a content marketer, but with a specialization in content repurposing. So whereby, let's say you can be able to transcribe videos for YouTubers and put closed captions. You can be able to turn people's podcasts into blog posts. You can be able to turn different things. I've actually done a video on content repurposing that I dived deeper, and you'll be able to get some really amazing ideas on the types of things that you can do to repurpose content. That video is actually so value packed. You can check it out. It will help you know, okay, what can I do? Maybe I'm not a good writer, but I'm a good editor. Some people need their videos turned into TikToks, or some people need their blog posts turned into IG posts, for example. So you can come in there, but you have to create an amazing profile. You have to seek out these jobs. You have to approach even content creators and ask them if they need that help, and really do some serious marketing. But it's actually a new role, and you don't have to struggle to do that, especially if you're well skilled with content creation. The next one is having an Instagram shop. So much has been happening with Instagram. People are now able to sell through the app You can be able to also create an Instagram shop there. You probably have different things you want to sell. Even if you don't have products, look at things that you really know about. If, say for example, I know a lot about creating DIY crafts, or I know a lot about creating wall hangings, I can create a company that deals with wall hangings and I can sell those on Instagram. So there's no limit to what you can sell. Obviously make it legal. It has to be something legal. It has to be something that you can showcase on a page so that people can buy. So that's also another side hustle. And the best thing about an Instagram shop is you can have a physical location in town or a pickup point in town. You can liaise with distributing companies like Sendy, or different ways that you can send different parcels across the country. So look at that, and courier services that you can use. Say for example, somebody in Mombasa is asking for a product that you have in Nairobi. Look for a cost-effective way to send that product. But I've seen people make crazy amounts of money just doing Instagram shops, selling random things like earrings, makeup, skincare. Such things, actually ladies will always want those things. So make sure you have a great product, you have good service. The worst thing is that sometimes Instagram shops get a bad rap because of the service part, but if you're able to perfect your service, then one marketing strategy you can rely on is the word of mouth, and people can be able to spread the word there about, oh, I saw this shop, they sell really nice makeup, or I saw this shop, they sell really nice candles. So think about that as well. The next one is creating digital products. One of them could be like an online course. There's always a way in which you can package the knowledge that you have. Maybe you're very well skilled on, for example, data entry, or you're well skilled in Excel more than the average person. You can definitely package that knowledge. It doesn't matter how many Excel courses are out there. If you really want to check whether your course makes sense, go to a site like Udemy and see how much people are pricing just for knowledge. People are pricing a lot of money just from stuff that you think comes naturally to you. So for example, for me, I really love this whole content creation thing. I love blogging, I love all that. So I can be able to package my knowledge into a product and put it on Udemy. You can also create master classes that have an entrance fee. You can create downloadables, ebooks. There's so many ways that you can create digital products. In fact, I have a video about how to create ebooks. I'll be also doing stuff about courses. I have an online consultation on digital marketing whereby I train people on how they can become freelance digital marketers. I also have another one on rate cards and service development for influencers. I also have another one on blogging. So those are 3 products that can be able to make me passive income. Yeah, that's a good idea. If you know you have knowledge, you want to package it into a class or something, think about creating a digital product from that knowledge. The next one is becoming an influencer assistant. I know it sounds so crazy, but trust me, nowadays the normal influencer, especially if they are large and they have a big following and they're working with many brands, they might need a job, a certain type of job that maybe they don't even know yet, or they don't have the job description for yet, but they may be trying to juggle so many things. You know, they're acting, they're working with brands, they're trying to manage their social media, they're speaking, they're traveling, they're doing so many things. If you're good with organization, you can create a product or a service that you can pitch to influencers that you can help them manage their work better. This could include something like responding to brands. It can include something like creating their content, posting them, just making their lives a bit more easier. The current successful influencer has so much to do on a day-to-day basis, and some of them don't even know they need an assistant. So if you can be able to package your products or your services and share with them, some of them might bite, some of them might need you, and you can be able to make a side income from that. Well, I know it also sounds like a full-time job, but you can help them with different aspects. Say for example, it's managing a YouTube channel. That can be a service. You can help them with like managing their brands, working with brands, or being the go-between between them and brands, managing. But this is something you also have to be skilled at. It's not something you can just wing it at. You have to be skilled at, you have to be in the field to understand how the dynamics works. But that's also something that you can do, and I think it's amazing. yeah, anyway, those are the side hustles that I think you can think about in 2021. Obviously, there's so many other side hustles. In fact, there are over, I think, 500 plus side hustles that I could talk about, but those are some I think are very easy, low barriers to entry. You can use the skills you already have, and also I've done different videos on side hustles, so I'll link one for 2020 which still applies to 2021, and I'll link other resources below if you really want to get started. So let me know if you have questions. Until next time, bye.